Hi guys, in this video I am going to discuss on how to add fractions. If we're going to add similar fractions or fractions with the same denominators, we're going to copy the denominator and add the numerators. If we're going to add the similar fractions, we're going to first find the LCD, and after finding the LCD, divide it to the denominators and multiply to the numerators. Okay, let's have some examples. Let's have first addition of similar fractions. So for example, if we're going to have 1/3 plus 4/3, so 1/3 plus 4/3, the two here are similar fractions, so the rule will be we're going to copy the denominator, which is 3, then add the numerators, 1 plus 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5, then this will be over 3. Another example, let's have 2/5 plus 4/5. So again, we're going to copy the denominator, 5, then add the numerators. 2 plus 4 is 6 over the denominator 5. So the answer is 6 over 5. Another example, let's have 1/2 plus 5/2. So that will be copy the denominator 2, then add 1 plus 5, the numerators. 1 plus 5 is 6 over 2, then 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So the answer here is 3. 4. Let's have 5 over 6 plus 5 over 6. So 5 over 6 plus 5 over 6, copy the denominator 6, then add the numerators, 5 plus 5. This will be 5 plus 5 is 10 over 6. Then in this example here, this answer is not in simplest form, so you need to simplify this one. So in simplifying this one, you will just divide the numerator and denominator by the number that can both divide the two. So 10 and 6 is divisible by 2, so let's divide 10 by 2 and also 6. So 10 divided by 2 is 5 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our answer here will be 5 over 3. Now let's have addition of dissimilar fractions. So first example, 1/2 plus 2/3. So the rule here is we're going to find the LCD. So the LCD, the number that can both divide 2 and 3 is 6. Then after having the LCD, divide this one to the denominators, then multiply to the numerator. So doing that, 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1, that will be 3. Then plus 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to have 3 plus 4, 7 over 6, the denominator. So this will be our answer. Another example, 1/5 plus 2/3. So LCD here, 5 and 3, the LCD is 15. This is the number that can both divide 5 and 3. So 15 divided by 5 is 3 times 1, that will be 3. Then plus 15 divided by 3 is 5 times 2 is 10. So 3 plus 10, 13 over 15. Next, let's have 2/3 plus 1 over 6. Okay, in this example, the LCD here will be 6. So 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 2, 4, plus 6 divided by 6, 1 times 1 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then copy the denominator 6. Let's have 1/4 plus 1/2. Okay, LCD will be 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1 is 1. Then plus 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1. That will be 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Then copy the denominator 4. Okay, so that will be the examples for addition of fractions. Hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.